Alright, let me explain what this circuit is all about. Or shall I say this system is all about. This is an MPPT charge controller I built, and let me start with the input. This is my input where I'll connect it to solar panel, and this is where my battery should be connected, and here is the output. And as you can see, we have our LCD screen for user interface. This one is a power module that power the whole system. This one will be connected to the battery, and I connect a filament bulb to the output. I connect it because of this video, and here I have a switch where I can off it. You see I've off everything, and if I switch it, it will make that beep. That means it's on. So this one is the output of is a 24 volt output from a adapter, which I will use it instead of using solar panel just because of this video. Now if I connect it to the input, as you can see, it displays the input voltage and it's displaying the power and the battery voltage. And as you can see, gradually the power is increasing because it starts with soft start, and it's written here SS. That means soft start. So it will start increasing. When it reaches a certain point, then it will enter into MPPT mode. Just keep looking at this place, and as you can see, the bulb intensity is increasing. Now it's at MPPT mode. So that's how it will be tracking the power that we'll be getting from our panel. And as you can see, our power now is fluctuating between 36 37. So that's it. But the reason why I put this filament bulb is for you to see clearly what is happening with the system. Because if I should put this battery, you might not get the full picture of what's really happening. And I tried to use this battery to solder it using soldering iron, but it's not holding firmly the way I want. So I'm thinking of getting a spot welder so that I can spot weld it, because that's the ideal way of doing it. So that's it. At MPPT, it will keep on tracking the maximum power that we can get from our input, and our input presently is this adapter, which is 24 volt. So this is how it will keep on increasing until it reach 12 point something volt, the maximum voltage of the battery. Then it will stop charging, because this system has over voltage and under voltage protection for the battery. That's why we have our output directly from the system, and we have two relays. So this one controls the battery connection, and the other one controls our output connection. So this system, I want to build it as a module. This one will be our output, because this one is a SEPIC that has two outputs that will be connected to this part, to our output. Then we'll get our output from these two ports. But let me show you how I can use this to charge my laptop. So let me pause this video and set this one up, and I will show you how it can charge my laptop. Okay, now to show you how the system works, I've set it. This one is the output from a battery, and let me test the battery so that we'll see the voltage coming out of the battery. If I connect my positive to the positive terminal, and I connect this negative to the negative terminal, as we can see, we are getting 13.38 volt. on the multimeter. So this is the output. This is the output that we're getting from the battery, and I connect it to this module setup. So this is the output. This is our output. Here at our output, if I connect it, just look at the multimeter. We're getting 19.76 volt. That's the output, and this output I connect it directly to a cable which I roll. Look at the cable. Look at the cable, which I will then connect it to my laptop, and I will show you. Let me get this thing out of this. This is it. I'll connect it to my laptop. Alright, now let me show you. As you can see, now my laptop is charging, and this is the connection. This is the connection. Let me remove this cable, and let me turn the laptop in this direction. This thing is coming, go close. Okay, this is it. This is the connection. As you can see, my laptop is charging. It's indicating it's charging. And let me open it so that you see it clearly. Maybe there's to open this thing. Okay, yeah, see it. Now my laptop is charging using this module. So this module will be connected with this. This one will be responsible for charging the battery, and this one is our output, but it's mainly DC. And this other port is the same thing with this one. You can increase and decrease the voltage output, but it will always give you the same power. It has one maximum power. So this is the battery that I'm connecting it to. It's a big battery, but for the system I'm not using this kind of battery. I'll be using this. I'll cascade it to have maybe 0.5 kilowatt hour. I think it will be enough for most of home appliances, for charging your laptop and other things like that. And for charging your phone, the way I plan to make this system, I'll just connect a 12 volt phone charger, the one that we usually use in our cars. You just connect it. There will be a port that you can just connect it directly and it will work. So that's it.